Let's go!
Instructions for disassembly and installation of fuel system diagnostic pump. Fault symptom. Fault code displayed. 1. P240200 Fuel tank ventilation system diagnostic pump actuation for fuel tank leak. Short circuit to positive terminal. 2. P240700 Fuel tank ventilation system leak diagnosis, pressurization current fluctuation. 3. P245000 Fuel evaporative emission control system switching valve stuck in open position. Disassembly process. 1. Park the vehicle, turn off the engine, and apply the parking brake. 2. Raise the vehicle and remove the wheels. 3. Remove all fixing bolts from the rear fender liner and take off the fender liner. 4. Disconnect the lines from the charcoal canister. 5. Remove the fixing bolts of the activated charcoal canister assembly. Disconnect the power supply connector of the fuel system diagnostic pump and take off the charcoal canister assembly. 6. Disconnect the connecting line between the fuel system diagnostic pump and the charcoal canister. 7. Remove all fixing bolts and take off the fuel system diagnostic pump assembly. Installation preparation. Use a cleaning tool to thoroughly clean the lines and wiring harness connectors. Installation process. Installation should be carried out in the reverse order of disassembly with attention to the following points. 1. Install all fixing bolts of the new fuel system diagnostic pump assembly. 2. Install the charcoal canister assembly onto the vehicle body. Tighten all fixing bolts and connect all lines and the power supply connector. Product functional test. 1. Use a vehicle diagnostic tool to access the diagnostic system. 2. Navigate to engine control system and select actuation test to proceed. 3. Enter fuel tank leakage diagnosis solenoid valve and actuate it as prompted. If operating properly, the solenoid valve will produce a clicking sound. 4. Return to the actuation test menu. Select the leakage detection pump and actuate it as prompted. If operating properly, the solenoid pump will produce a faint motor operation sound. 5. After the new product function test is completed, access engine control system and clear all fault codes. 6. For the remaining components, proceed with installation in the reverse order of disassembly. Tighten all fixing bolts to the standard torque specifications in the maintenance manual.